Hello friends, my name is Kamlesh Kumar. Basically, I'm from Bihar. I shifted to Bangalore. There I did my articleship. There I was not able to study. So my colleagues in my firm, that I will say, in my firm more than 70% of students whoever has qualified for IPCC both group, that was completely surprisingly, they were from masterminds. They advised me to go to masterminds. So go there, you will get a great environment for studies. They will give you supporting faculties at the time of readings. So if you will be having any kind of trouble, they will help you out, and every week they will conduct an exam that will be as similar as your final exams as the ICI will conduct. Now I came to masterminds. There my studies is going on for revision batch exams. Especially I've joined for my exams. There I'm seeing, and as my practical experience, what I am getting here, whatever doubt I am getting in while studying, any problem related to my studies, subject matter, anything, there are many faculties, supportive faculties are there. They will help you out while studying. At the same time, they will be in the classroom. No need to go outside or wasting time. And personally, I would say here you will feel a great study feelings. Like this environment is like it will make you to study. So my friends, I would say for every students, they have a specific time. Within that age, they have to study, they have to qualify, they have to do something in life to get settled. So anyways, this ICI will conduct every 6 month exams, but what time you are spending in other place, better you come to masterminds. There the 6 month 180 days, whatever you will spend here, that will be very much helpful for you, and it will make you to get qualified, and you will be a successful person. The classes you are getting from the institution, and you are writing in the exam what you have learned, what you have studied, that should be there in your mind. But it will be there in your mind when you will revise this all topics, all subjects. But other institutions, you may not get all types of facilities like masterminds. Here they will conduct exams, they will be having revision batch for studies, self studies. So whatever you have studied in classes, you will get enough time to study. And again, if you have any doubt in between while studying, supporting faculties will help you out in that. So coming to final conclusion, so if you will study in masterminds, it will make you to study, and I'm giving you, I can assure you, you will be qualified and you will become a chartered accountant. Coming to the articles of point of view, few students will go to metropolitan cities. There they will get many troubles like traveling, traffics. It will save your money, it will save your time, and you will get extra time for studies. There you will not be like, you will not feel stress while studying. The institution where I studied, it was like only classes used to conduct. There used to be many crowds, no maintenance, something was there. So I was late. It was really getting disturbed because of that. But coming to masterminds, it is really a good environment, maintenance, rules, regulations, everything is followed. So here I am getting 100% good time to study, and it is effectively I am studying here. Even masterminds is providing study materials which is very much easy to understand, and also they are providing guest questions and many materials that will help you out in studies and will make you easy to understand and solve the questions very much easily, rather mugging up or doing many of exercises. Better to go through masterminds materials that will help you out for any kind of solutions very much easily. Thank you to Prakash sir and Mohan sir for providing such kind of academic programs to reach out to our goals and clear our exams. Thank you.